Greetings guys, it has been a while since my last video. Belated Happy Chinese New Year to all my friends. And yeah, there's not much there's not any activities going on at the moment. Not going anywhere nowadays with the virus outbreak, so it's best to avoid crowded areas. Anyway, today video is I just want to congratulate myself for surpassing the 3,000 subscribers for my YouTube channel finally after so many years. I would just want to say a big thank you to all the subscribers. Thanks for supporting me, and it has not been easy. It was quite good when I was doing my biking videos, motovlog with my motorbikes. It gained subscribers easier than what I'm doing now, just focusing on a car. So it's like I have to start all over again. But I just want to say thank you again for helping me reaching the 3,000 mark. But it's still a long way to go. Anyway, I'm not relying on my YouTube channel to make a living. I'll be honest with you guys, it actually take me, I think, 8 to 10 months to actually earn $100 US. So it's very minimal, but it's a bonus for me and also an incentive for me to make more videos. Ultimately, I think the purpose of me making videos on YouTube is just for sharing and just for recording of my car ownership and all these things. So to celebrate my 3,000 subscribers mark, I'm going to do something for my car. And yes, it's just another sticker mod. Well, if you can recall my previous video when I went to this new Auto Bavaria service center, the showroom for my car service, I'm not sure whether you guys noticed that there's a green color M4 with a carbon fiber roof. So it looks very cool, and I'm trying to do something similar, but I'm not replacing my roof to a carbon fiber roof, but I'm just putting on carbon fiber stickers for on the roof. So yeah, I'm heading back to the same sticker shop at this where is it? What is it called? Pandan. What, Pandan something, I can't remember. Okay, just behind the Tesco MRR2, the same shop. And yesterday I checked with the boss, Jeff. He told me that there's a promo ongoing for carbon fiber sticker. So let's check it out, and I'll talk to you guys later. So here we are again at Unicorn Graphics or Unicorn Design. Yeah, Unicorn Graphic. Yes. Side mirror okay 啊，仲靚啊！ Okay, all is done. And it is not as cheap as 180 ringgit. 180 ringgit is for the roofed. Sorry, 180 ringgit is for those brandless China-made carbon sticker. So, and it's only available in matte finishing. So the one that I have chosen is the brand called Tech Wrap. It's a US brand. So it costs 600 ringgit for the entire roof, the side plastic panels, and also the shark fin antenna, shark fin antenna cover. And yeah, the result is okay, but I thought it's very glossy, but it's not that glossy after installation, but still acceptable. So I hope my car looks cooler now. And let me take another shot of the carbon fiber sticker roof for you guys to see under the broad daylight. Yeah, not a very huge difference, but at least it looks a little bit different from the ordinary white color roof. So okay, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.